Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hut and welcome to the Go for Beginners next session. So before we start with our first Go program, let us first understand what are the prerequisites and how to set up the environment for Go. So the first thing is you need to install Go on your machine. So you can simply go to go.dev, which is the official website for Go, and you can simply go to download and install section. You can see a download option over there. You can also select your preferred platform. For example, in my case, I am using Windows, so I am downloading the Windows version. You can also see the steps available on this same website. The steps are very simple. You simply just install, and once Go is installed successfully, you can check by entering command go version. So now next is, throughout this entire series, we will be using Visual Studio Code Editor to create and execute the Go program. So you must install the Visual Studio Code. You can get it from its Visual Studio official website. Once both these things installed, you can simply check whether Go is used or not. You can simply go to the view, click on terminal and enter the command go version. You should see the version which you have installed on your machine. Once both these things are installed on your machine, then we are good to go to create our first Go program. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.